Welcome to meditation to set your intentions. Find a quiet and comfortable place to sit or lie down. Dim the lights or light a candle for a gentle atmosphere. If you can, wear loose, comfortable clothing and take a few slow, deep breaths to let go of the day so far. Soften your gaze and close your eyes if you haven't already. And notice the stillness around you. The gentle rise and fall of your breath. Feel your body supported by the surface beneath you. This is your starting point, the present moment where intentions take root. Imagine your life is a vibrant garden. What seeds have you already planted? What fruits have blossomed? Are there weeds that you might need to gently pull? Take a moment to acknowledge your past intentions, your success, and areas for growth. Reach into your soul and feel the whispers of your deepest desires. What seeds do you long to plant for the future? Do you yearn for more joy, creativity, peace, or connection? Choose one powerful intention, a seed you truly wish to nurture. Imagine holding this seed of intention in your hand. It's alive with possibility, pulsing with energy. Feel its warmth, its weight, its unique vibration. Carefully prepare the soil of your mind and heart, clearing away any doubts or limitations. Now gently plant your seed, bearing it with trust and faith. Visualize water from a gentle spring nourishing the planted seed. Feel the warmth of the sun nurturing it, the soft breeze guiding its growth. See your future self tending to this garden of intentions, weeding out negativity and supporting its blossom. Remember, growth takes time. Trust that your seed is taking root, even if you can't see it yet. Release your desire for instant results and surrender to the natural rhythm of your own evolution. Be patient, be gentle, and let your intention unfold organically. Your intentions are powerful. Be clear, be specific, and positive in your choices. Nurture your intentions with daily reflection and positive affirmations. Trust the process and enjoy the journey of watching your seed bloom. Take a few slow, deep breaths and feel the present moment wash over you. You have planted your seeds, you have set your intentions. Now, carry them with you throughout your day, allowing them to guide your choices and actions. May this meditation leave you feeling empowered and aligned with your deepest desires. Remember, you are the gardener of your own life, and your intentions are the seeds that shape your future. Happy planting!